Interesting facts about wolves. Wolves are proud creatures. For many people they have become a symbol of pride and love of freedom. Smart, cunning and courageous, these creatures once inspired fear in travelers. Now they have been driven out by the advancing civilization into remote corners of the dense forests, and some of the species of wolves are on the verge of extinction. Wolf fur consists of two layers, one warms, and the other repels moisture. Bears, by the way, do the same. In a wolf pack there is not only the main wolf, the leader, but also the main female wolf. The weight of the largest wolf ever caught was 86 kilograms. The wolf is able to jump to a height of up to 5 meters. The brain of a wolf is about a third larger than that of a dog. Different packs of wolves often fight for territory. Battles are bloody, but often only leaders fight. The losing pack leaves. The wolf is capable of covering a distance of up to 80 kilometers per night. A large wolf pack can consist of 35 to 40 members. Black-furred wolves are found only in North America. This color arose as a result of a mutation, the cause of which, in turn, was the crossing of wolves with dogs. Little wolf cubs are born deaf and blind. A hungry wolf is able to eat up to 10 kilograms of meat at a time. Wolves are excellent swimmers. They are quite capable of covering a distance of several tens of kilometers in water. Most often, a wolf pack eats its prey alive, since the teeth of these animals cannot quickly kill the victim. Ireland was once called the land of the wolves, as the Irish forests were inhabited by a huge number of these creatures. Wolves are able to live for more than a week without food, while practically not reducing activity. The eyes of wolves, like the eyes of cats, can glow with reflected light at night. A newborn wolf cub weighs about half a kilo. During the first 4 months after birth, wolf cubs increase their weight by about 25 to 30 times. Lone wolves are usually not dangerous. Without their pack, these animals become much more cautious. Wolves only eat carrion if they can't find any other prey. Wolf ears are able to pick up sound at a distance of up to 9 kilometers. They choose the least dangerous prey first. Wolves prefer to prey on weak animals, old, very young, starving, injured or sick. Red wolves superficially resemble foxes to such an extent that they are often confused with them. Wolves are almost impossible to train, even if they were born in captivity, and have been accustomed to seeing people since childhood. Observant residents of the regions where these animals are found in the wild have long noticed that for some reason wolves are afraid of fabric fluttering in the wind. It was wolves that became the first species of animals that came under the protection of the law. The polar wolf is able to survive in such harsh climatic conditions that the vast majority of other mammals would not last even a few days there. If 2 packs of wolves meet, it often leads to a fight over territory. Moreover, only the leaders fight, and the losing pack resignedly leaves, leaving the hunting grounds to the pack of winners. The coat color of these predators directly depends on their habitat. In the desert, it will be yellowish or brown, in the forest it will be gray, and in the polar regions it will be white. Wolves are listed in the International Red Book. The eyes of newborn wolf cubs are blue. They turn yellow later, after a few months. The offspring of the leader and his pair are usually brought up by the whole pack. When a wolf pack goes hunting, the cubs usually remain under the guard of the younger members of the pack, individuals who might be called juveniles. Jackals and coyotes are species related to wolves. In the wild, hybrids of wolves and dogs, wolf dogs, are also sometimes found. They are not afraid of people, unlike wolves, but at the same time they are strong, like large dogs. The lowest position in the pack is occupied by omegas, a male and a female with a softer character. The largest wolf was shot on the territory of Ukraine in the Poltava region. His weight was 86 kilograms. Wolves have their own communication system. They use howls, whimpers, grunts, growls, yelps, barks, and even different movements to communicate. Wolves are surprisingly diverse. The word wolf usually refers to the grey wolf, Canis lupus, the most widely distributed and familiar wolf species in existence today. It is widely believed that grey wolves are descended from the smaller muzzbark wolf, a now extinct canine that lived in Eurasia during the Middle to Late Pleistocene. Thanks to enterprising, adaptable ancestors, grey wolves flourished for hundreds of thousands of years across the vast expanses of Eurasia and North America, where they split into a wide variety of subspecies. There is still debate about how great this diversity is, and scientists divide them into 8 to 38 subspecies. In North America, these include the ghostly Arctic wolf, the great northwestern wolf, the little Mexican wolf, and the eastern or timber wolf, which are considered a separate species by some authorities. There is also the cryptic red wolf, Canis rufus, a rare canid, classified either as a separate species or as a subspecies of the grey wolf, with possible coyote ancestry either way. The only animal the wolf is afraid of is the bear. He tries his best not to meet him on the forest paths. Wolves are very fond of blackberries. And even the sharp thorns of this berry do not stop them. If you meet a wolf, there is no point in running away. The surest thing is to slowly move out of his field of vision, without turning your back on him. They cannot distinguish colors. Wolves are colorblind. Mating occurs between January and April, with northern populations breeding later than southern counterparts. Females choose their mate and often form a lifelong pair bond. Pairs of wolves spend a lot of time together. In females, estrus occurs once a year and lasts from 5 to 14 days, at which time mating occurs. After mating, the female digs a lair in which she raises her offspring. The lair is often dug out with an entrance that descends first down and then up again to a higher platform. Such a structure avoids flooding. Wolf cubs are born in a den and stay there for several weeks after birth. Wolves build other lairs under cliffs, under fallen trees, and in caves. The gestation period lasts from 60 to 63 days. Litter size ranges from 1 to 14 cubs, with an average litter size of 6 to 7 cubs. Wolves can live in the wild for 13 years, although their average lifespan is 5 to 6 years. Adults usually die of old age or from injuries sustained while hunting or fighting other wolves. In captivity, they can live up to 15 years. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.